Counting and ratting my fidgets. 1. Squishy flamingo 810 not that squishy. 2. Green squishy ball 10010 really squishy. 3. Octopus pop it 1010 I love the feeling of the pop it sand I love the color. 4. Gold pop it 10010 I just love it over. 5. Rainbow pop it 9 510 not bad. 6. Rainbow pop it 10010 I love the color sand the pops. 7. Purple pop it 10010 really smoothie love the color tour. 8. Pineapple squishy 20010 really squishy. 9. Mini simple dimple 10010 I claw. 10. Stretchy pink unicorn 10010 really stretchy it's really soft. 11. Infinity cube 910 I like the 12. DIYGN a ball 1010 the stuff inside is only smooth and soft. 13. Squishy dog bees burger 100 gazillion 10 I love him so mute. 14. Squishy dog shadow 10010 so squishy. 15. Squishy croc croco 10010. 16. Bunny bun bun 1710 so cute. 17. Squishy cat kitty 10010. 18. Squishy frog froggo 10010 so cute. 19. Ike not bad. 20. Worm fidget wormy 710. 21. Simple dimple 810 kinda hard but okay. 22. Peapod fidget 1010 so cool. Bye.